Once those clips are all unclipped, we can just reach underneath it carefully. Don't want to grab one of the keys and pull because they will pop off quite easily, and we can lift up the keyboard. We want to be very careful there are some little hooks underneath the front edge, so we'll just tilt it up a little bit and move it back. Is underneath it, you can see this ribbon cable. This ribbon cable is very fragile and it's very short. That's all the space we've got. It goes into a small clip on the motherboard. The best way to remove that is to, once we get the keyboard loose, is to fold the keyboard over and around, and that lets us access that clip on the motherboard without having to hold on to the keyboard at the same time. What we want to do with that clip is we want to pull up. You see the dark brown here, and on the other side we want to pull up on that dark brown piece just a little bit. It's only going to move up maybe a 1/16 of an inch. We use a screwdriver to get underneath the edge of it, and we'll just pop up those corners, and what that does is that allows the piece that was kind of pinched together to release a little bit, and then your cable will slide right out. Matter of fact, it usually just pops right out as soon as you do that. Now our keyboard is a separate piece, so we can tape our screws to the keyboard so we don't lose them, and set that aside. Now that the keyboard's off, we can see some of the internal components.